Good morning and welcome to Music in the Parks, hosted by Busch Gardens here at Mary Passage Middle School. Let me take a moment to introduce our judges. Mr. Doug Gately, he is the Director of Jazz Studies at the University of Mary Washington. He's the conductor and director of the UMW Jazz Ensemble and Concert Band. And Mrs. Alice Glasgow. She is a retired Virginia music educator with 33 years of teaching experience directing orchestras in Chesapeake Public Schools. On stage now, we have Loudoun County High School from Leesburg, Virginia String Orchestra under the direction of Miss Alexa Konecny. Okay. Their first adjudicated piece is Adria Dance by Brandon McBrien, and their second adjudicated piece is Arlington Sketches by Elliot Del Borgo. Please join me in welcoming Loudoun County High School String Orchestra.